Umacele usethi mina ngikhulumela yonke into emzumba. Ungijwayela.
Hi bazala bami, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am Umagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami, it's about Umayeni. Guys, Umayeni for the longest seasons abantu bakhuluma ngayo, or abantu they'll talk whatever they want to talk about Umayeni on Uthando Nesithembu, and she won't respond. One thing abantu abamthandela yona Umayeni, I for one I've noticed that thing, but you notice abantu abaningi sibayinotisile ukuthi Umayeni udila nomseleku, ulwa nomseleku, akafaka omunye umuntu endaweni yakhe nomseleku. Udila nomseleku Umayeni uzubona ukuthi kodwa Umayeni ke manje uyamgila ke umseleku. Angeke umuzi Umayeni athi ubani uthe, but now uyasho ukuthi she's very tired. Abantu kudala abadlala ngayo in front of umseleku, and umseleku angameli. Now she's addressing Umacele on the previous season. Uthe Umayeni ufuna ukuthi emzumbe kucontrol yena, yiyo ezinye zezinto ezenza ukuthi angaye emzumbe. And remember bake baba nokuphikisana nyana athi Umayeni she made a statement like ungathi Umayeni ufuna ukuba uyo, and Umayeni ukhalela indaba yokuthi number 1 engathi engcondweni yakhe uzohlala number 1. I don't really understand indaba yoku number 1 if you are not really in a relationship with Nkosi, because if you are in a relationship or you are in a marriage shade nenkosi, it is understandable, because I know ukuthi if as umamkhulu ingane yakho, that means you zoba the next king, that means uphekela ingane zakho. But umseleku guys, and umseleku is always open ukuthi yena inkosana yakhe umpumelelo ongasumntana kamamkhulu. And bathi traditionally so kuthiwa umntana okumele abe inkosana umntana kamamkhulu, but umseleku ngoba isithembu sakhe nasinemithetho yakhe, hayi imithetho elandelwa amandulo, imithetho enjalo kakhe inje uthi my house, my sithembu, my rules. It seems like usho kanjalo, because I really don't understand ukuthi uMacele yini lengaka ayilwisela Umayeni. I truly don't understand. If analeyo Umacele ayilwisela uMakhumalo, I don't understand, because I feel like uMacele if ulwa naye, or if niba ne disagreement ne, it is agreement, yes, if anivumelani something, yes, so uzoyuza ama-files wakho just to expose you on national TV. Obviously, maybe she doesn't know much about Umayeni. That's why mhlawumbe amavumbululo Umayeni as she's doing uMakhumalo, and what she's doing is totally wrong for Ajax. But indlela behavior ngayo is totally wrong. I don't know. It is totally wrong. So it seems like Umayeni is ready for everything, and it's ready to respond. I'm looking forward to Umayeni ukuthi respond. I do know ukuthi Umayeni is one woman ozomela uMacele, and also khipha naye izinto zikaMacele as uMacele is doing nguMakhumalo. And I feel like igame abayidlala manje, or the indlela isithembu sabo sesikuso, it's no longer safe, guys. Bazohethana kakhulu, and it will be difficult with the unity that Umseleku ayifunayo ayithole, because manje nje if I was Makhumalo, it will be difficult for Makhumalo ukuthi acolele uMacele after uMacele ashole izinto azishilo ngayo on national TV. You understand? Masibheke indaba, singakhiphi indaba zokuthi wena wafika kaMseleku sonengane ezide. That is wrong. That is wrong. Asikhuluma indaba yengane manje, sikhuluma indaba ama-IVF, sikhuluma inkinga ekhona manje ukuthi wena uvumele uSamke afike kakho number 5, but we once said wena noMseleku manje na 20 years akasekho uMseleku, angeke asavumeleka ukuthatha omunye umuntu, and ayisekho into kaMseleku ozoyi-entertain, ozoyi-attenda ehambelana nesithembu sikaMseleku. But net uSamke, you were there for her. Uvumile ukuthi ak-introduce kuSamke yonke into kaSamke, you are there, but you didn't attend umshado kaMakhumalo, and your reasons was senihlanganiselwe 20 years and senivumelane ngayo, and i-agreement was after 20 years ayikho into ezokuhlanganisa nesithembu sakababa uMseleku. You understand? When it comes to Umayeni, I do understand makathi uMacele bakumele lezi zinto lezi bekazisho ukuthi Umayeni ufuna ukubusa emzumbe, azisho on the retreat. Angithi lapha bokuyela ukufixa inkinga ezabo Makhumalo bebasho inkinga abanazo ngoMacele, as uMangwabe naye asho ukuthi I didn't like yonke into ezeka phakathi kwethu kuye, ufile ngathi uMseleku uthi consider ama-feelings kaMacele kucela bona abakhaphi unkosikazi uMacele. So uMacele ayibomela asho ukuthi mina into engenza ukuthi ngingaye emzumbe, ungathandi ngemzumbe, ukuthi Umayeni uyacontrol emzumbe. Why angayisho lento leyo? So because into ongakwazi ukuyisho makulungisa inkinga inhlebo. Angazi ke ukuthi ubani lawo bangakhuluma ngayo Macele lapha makathi uMseleku wathi anyeka amshada. I'm thinking Umayeni, but I feel like now, or we all know that ukuthi uMseleku isithembu sakhe usibhilde ngamanga, bonke lamafazi baheha ngamanga, nalo okhona ukhohliswe a lot. So Guys, I'm looking forward ukuthi umayeni uzoresponda kanjani. I am looking forward ukuthi umayeni uzoresponda kanjani. And since I'm team mayeni, I'm ready nje ukummela because I know mayeni akasukeli umuntu bahlola basukela yena. But bazalwane bami, you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.